taxes no yi ene de ye ton cars no enhye da enkan yen sa enhye da enkan yen sa enhye da enkan yen sa.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Ayo, car dealers. Mo, bra, now I'm pinning Akufo-Addo, ba mono 2017. Muna, Mkankrofwa, Omo enjoy a lot of benefit under MPP government. Car dealers, no, a lot of the taxes are now NDC for the hamwajin mahama first come you know taxes are muri shushum asum yinano Akufo-Addo buy no beka se there bi sa taxes no e wo ho a muntimi nya business musu menye bi enti o see mo amuye car dealers no first of all se wo ba e wo senior high school aban beji saka afa I free senior high school. So that we a car dealer who talk about kwa usu profit a onya frame mono ultimate de ko sit down unfan ko tua school fees e wo si ma oba wo senior high school echre no e na import duties in bebrebe nso no osam make sure say watiti so sa amamu mo amu buy kra be kanfo Akufo-Addo say our government we dey ye hu bi da we dey mu ye ne den ni o e na ye yina ye ko 2020 coronavirus and I name say no Ukraine meaning coronavirus na be hard dream pa enti ni na ma government say on some fat taxes be enfa kanyama be so that government can survive we say obi anye sacrifice mun kwa de musi mun ti ase right na abanya wa ya di ade pama mu no musi esan say corona aba ni Russia Ukraine war aba as after that no say ye na yen taxes ba ku menu binti no mukoto abati ahom ye kokoto abanu krampo no Dr. Mahamudu Baumia baye kachire mu say onu president when di bida oye driver's mate enti mu man akonya no be president onye driver obeye driver na obe make sure say ye duties are whatever habo ni ye takwadi port ni nyamanyama no it will be at the same level as of that in Lome. Or can specifically musi debi quen as a cri se pri se pra se pro se pri se pra
e menfa ne say omo your friend is a manifesto no e kan ho asem enti na akwete say o ye betumi aye ye ntumi nye ye betumi aye ne ntumi nye enti nyame anim ne finance minister bae no de oboboss no na ye hu say waya ade ye bebo ma baso say o matumi ayi taxes bit say covid tax any your friends emission tax any yi levy ne sa betting tax no enyina ade afifiri ho no mo de ama Ghana fo say o hwa sa taxes no yi ye ne de ye ton cars no enhye da enkan yen sa ensheda enkansa eneni your friend is saying sunsanso bia wo yedwuma no emfa sunsanso bia emma meka yedwuma na ye no ho enti ayete say menye sika bia na say mikura sika bi na me pese me de send mic na ebia taxes bia nka wo say metua na ye free wo na chese Ghana for na sa taxes no ye free ho de ama wo mo na wo hwe bibi ti say emission tax ne so aba na emission tax no bi beka say emission de bia kire say car for no so fuel petrol for na no so kwa ma wo mo na ye de ankasa na wo mo kan ye say in the first your friend is say 120 days no
because first 120 days na egum
say enema no bi wo mu a omo ebehwe e de aman but finance minister de bae no enya de a ye de ni bia ewo mu a because say wo hwe omo yi na or see the following your friend draconian taxes within our first 100 days no in office no e be a levy COVID tax and a 10% levy on betting your friends are winning and an emission levy and also import duty on vehicles and equipment imported into the country for industrial and agricultural purposes and no the yɛante ho hwee na wohwɛ a aban a wotwa mu kɔɔyɛ no na ade biara yɛka ho asɛm ne sɛ ɛyɛ taxes na ɛda cars no so no ɛsoso dodo anaasɛ ayɛ akɛse dodo ɛno nti ɛna ama cars no yɛde ba car la nanka memfa ne sɛ ba the year 20 your friend say 2022 na yɛtɔ yɛyi ne bɛyɛ sɛ 18,000 no a ɛnɛ ɛkɔ 6 to 700,000 no ne yɛnim sɛ nka saa budget yi betumi ayɛ ho adwuma but the hu yɛ ne sɛ ɛntumi anyɛ ho biribia no ne ade a mehu sɛ wɔ sɛ yɛ ka kyerɛ yɛ aban yɛ NDC aban anaasɛ yɛ papa John Mahama n'aban ɛne yɛ friend sɛ honorable to force na our finance minister say ye kai wo mo say boshe na wo de share ye no Mike so obeka ya ebra na ye papa president obonto entoa no ye ne kohyia ye o hotel otonsa frɛ ye ene gutafo ne ade nyina wo hwɛ a ono ankasa fa ye friend say your friend say duty component ni bia ono ankasa ebo no 1 by 1 duty 1
and I'm with them ni must by born no koto abama NDC say I'm 100 days promise my mom saying promise baby promise being 100 days promise first 100 days e be yi taxes e wo import so na me talk cars na muko yinu te mahabo free yes sir ya mun kai say sa NDC for na mu tote mahabo no for over 25 years ema de belore or belorat or whatever the name is but ya mun kai mako to abama o mu wi afre abeka budget no you have not seen your smoothness level, you have not been considered in the budget. Now you are crying. Who are you crying to? You are crying to him. Him or me? Because me there no pity for you. I don't pity you one bit. I don't pity you. What didn't we say? What appeals didn't we make? Hekachremo. Mu cry na mu import cars, no. You have the benefit of talking to people who are outside the country. The amount of money na mu import cars 2019 say na mu to car no e be US Canada na be mu to car free no, was that the same amount you were getting it after 2020? No. Entina ka say mu hu say BBC a enye normal enye Akufo-Addo say obomutrimudi na say BBC na ka say mu hu but adwinfinti adwiboninte we see yo Mahama ona po se pri se kwen sa se pri se kwen se pri se kwen any money se be ayeru se sia no eye operation keep quiet and suffer. Operation keep quiet and suffer. I repeat, operation keep quiet and suffer. We don't want to hear anything. No, keep it to yourself. We know the inside. We know the hear yourself. We are all aware say the next 4 years ahead of us no yanyina iba bebre etimu kama no tuna na bre in peace. Yeah, we all are coming to bre in peace. Unti asia akoshipu misi unti asia akoyeden koshipu yenti jai yenti obia. So this has been the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers.